In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change filters in Pipedrive. Filters are a really important part of keeping your pipeline organized and making sure you see only the deals, contacts, or activities that matter most at any given time. Maybe you want to focus on open deals this week, or only see leads from a specific region. Instead of manually scanning through everything, filters do that heavy lifting for you. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to adjust an existing filter so it better matches what you need. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and you're on the page where you want to apply the filter, such as the Deals view. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the filter icon. It usually looks like a small funnel. Go ahead and click that filter icon to open the filter dropdown. Once the dropdown appears, you'll see a list of existing filters that you or your team have already created. These might include things like all open deals, my deals, or any custom filters your organization uses. Take a moment to find the filter you want to change. When you're ready, click on that existing filter from the drop-down menu to select it. This tells Pipedrive which filter you're about to work on. After you've selected the filter, look for a small pencil icon next to the filter name. This is the Edit button. Click the Edit icon to open the filter settings. Here, you'll be able to see the conditions that define this filter, such as deal stage, owner, value, or any other criteria that are currently being used. Now, adjust the conditions to match what you want. For example, you might narrow it down to only show deals in a certain stage with a specific status or assigned to a particular team member. Take your time to review each condition and make sure it reflects the way you actually want to filter your data. This is a good moment to clean up any outdated rules that no longer make sense. When you're happy with the changes, scroll down if needed and click Save. This will update the filter with your new conditions. From now on, whenever you select this filter, Pipedrive will apply the updated rules you just set. And that's it. You've successfully changed an existing filter in Pipedrive, which will help you stay focused on the most relevant information in your pipeline.